how to sign up to become a Neuralign provider. So your URL will be ls.works. You go to sign up, add your information, add an email. If you do autofill, it's important for the address that you pick, that you redo it so that you're taking the autofill from Google. Upload your logo if you have one. Your email can only be used once within the portal. So make sure that it's the email that you want your clients to see. That will be the email that will be posted. Press I accept terms. If you press accept terms and the register button does not activate, it means that something is missing. So I see here we've missed profession. And so that has activated the button. Click on the button. And now you're registered for Neuralign. You've made yourself a portal, and you would go to your email to take a look to see what your email says. Let's go and do that. So you will receive an email like this, and in here, it will give you step-by-step instructions of what to do. So you start by confirming your account. And then this will be that whatever the link is here for you will be what you sign into after, where your email address, so your email address and your temporary password. So let's go and see what that looks like. So now what you'll do is you will take your URL for your portal, and you'll add it here. And here you can see this, your name should be displayed here. And you'll go into log into my account. You will add your email and your temporary password, and you will log in. And then you'll press save. The first time you enter, you will get the tutorials. It would be good to go over them. There's videos for everyone. I'm going to skip it. If you want to find the tutorials again later, they will be here. And on this menu bar is all your information you need to register your students and your clients and your students, to purchase the programs and the demos, to show people demos or to do a demo yourself, the tutorials we have, and here you will find documentations that you can use for marketing or to send to parents. So that is how you open up your organization portal.